To transfer Bitcoin from your account to a test wallet, start by opening the app and selecting the Finances option from the bottom of the screen. From there, click on the tab that displays your cryptocurrencies. Then choose Bitcoin and click on the Action button next to it. A pop-up window will appear. Select the option to send. You will then need to enter the wallet address from your test wallet. To do this, open your test wallet, click the Receive button, select Bitcoin, and copy the wallet address. Return to the app, paste the wallet address into the top bar, and click on the option that includes your wallet address. Next, enter the amount you want to transfer. You may receive a verification code to your registered email or phone number, which you will need to verify. After verification, you will be shown a summary of your transfer. Ensure that the wallet address and amount are correct, and that the network is the same in both accounts. Once you have confirmed these details, click to complete the transfer, and your Bitcoin will be transferred to your test wallet.